See the sex linkage. What is the meaning of sex linkage? The linkage is mainly due to the sex chromosome, that is the X and Y chromosome is known as a sex linkage. The linkage is mainly due to the sex linked genes, that is known as a sex linkage. We well known about the chromosomes number or types of chromosomes in human being. In human being, two sex chromosomes are there, X and Y sex chromosomes, and they consist of a X linked and Y linked genes. So this sex linkage is mainly due to the sex chromosome or linked genes present on a sex chromosome. Two kinds of a sex linkage are there, complete sex linkage and incomplete sex linkage. Here first we take the information about the complete sex linkage. Complete sex linkage exhibited by the genes located on non-homologous region. See the structure here, X and Y chromosome. Non-homologous region. Non-homologous region, if we compare the X and Y chromosome, non-homologous region of X chromosome is much more longer as compared to the Y chromosome. On this non-homologous region, there is a presence of a dissimilar kinds of a gene. So there is no crossing over, no exchange of a genetic material on the non-homologous region of X and Y chromosome. So the complete sex linkage generally exhibited, generally shown by the non-homologous regions genes. The gene present on a non-homologous region of a X and Y chromosome, they generally shows the complete sex linkage. Here the example of a X-linked traits and Y-linked traits. X-linked traits are mainly because of the X-linked genes present on X chromosomes, while the Y-linked genes present on a Y chromosome generally they shows the Y-linked traits. So here first we take the example of a X-linked traits. Here the first one disorder, first one trait is here hemophilia. Person suffering from the hemophilia, in that person blood not clots normally. If he or she find out the wound, then more bleeding is occur there from that wound. The blood not easily clot in such kind of disorder. Then the next one disorder, next one trait is the red green color blindness. Person cannot easily identify the difference in between red and green color. So it is known as a red green color blindness. Myopia, disorders related with our eye. Nearsightedness, it is also known as a nearsightedness. ज्या जवळच्या वस्तू आहेत त्या स्पष्ट दिसणे, दूरच्या ज्या वस्तू आहेत त्या स्पष्ट न दिसणे, त्याला म्हटलं तर मायोपिया डिसऑर्डर. सो दीज आर दी सम एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ए एक्स लिंक्ड ट्रेट्स. Y linked traits. Y linked traits, they are mainly associated. This disorder generally find out in male. Simple reason is here, Y chromosomes present in male, so generally disorders or traits related with the Y linked, they are generally find out in male here. And in about the X linked traits, it is commonly found in male as well as female both. Hypertrichosis. The first one trait here, hypertrichosis. In a hypertrichosis, hairs present on the external pinna of a male. Ichthyosis, it is the skin disorders. In such kind of traits, in such kind of a disorder, the generally skin become scaly, dry or thickened skin. So this is about a ichthyosis. Along with this disorder, hypertrichosis, ichthyosis, baldness, it is the Y-linked disorder generally find out in male. So these are the Y-linked traits. Then we going toward the incomplete sex linkage. Second type of a sex linkage, that is the incomplete sex linkage. Incomplete sex linkage exhibited by the genes located present on a homologous region of a sex chromosome, that is X and Y chromosome. On a homologous region of a both X and Y chromosome, similar kinds of a genes are present there. So exchange of a genetic material present in between them. Crossing over always takes place from the homologous region of a sex chromosome. So incomplete linkage always observed on a homologous region of a sex chromosome. So this is the location of a incomplete sex linkage. Homologous region of X and Y chromosome generally shows the incomplete sex linkage. Both the X and Y linked gene, they inherited, they transmit the character, they do not transmit the characters because of the crossing over. So XY linked genes mainly they cause the XY linked traits. See the disorders here. The example of a XY linked traits: total color blindness. The person suffering from this total color blindness. In such kind of disorder, person cannot identify the difference in between any kind of color. So it is the total color blindness. The second one disorder here, nephritis. That is the inflammation of kidney, damage of nephron results into the nephritis disease. Retinitis pigmentosa. This is the disorder related with our eye. The back wall of a retina, डोळ्याचा जो पडदा आहे साधारणतः तो डॅमेज होणे या डिसऑर्डर्समध्ये साधारणतः हे ट्रेट आहे त्या ठिकाणी रेटिनिस पिगमेंटोसा. सो दिस इज अबाउट ए सेक्स लिंकेज. Two kinds of sex linkage: complete sex linkage and incomplete sex linkage. Simply you have to remember, complete sex linkage generally observed on a non-homologous region of X and Y chromosome. No crossing over there because of the dissimilar genes, while the incomplete sex linkage occurs on a homologous region of X and Y chromosome. Similar kind of genes are present there, so they shows the crossing over here.